It's unboxing time, and today we're unboxing the Jellycomb MS001 mouse. And this is a wireless gaming mouse that has all these cool features in it. And basically we're going to go through and test it, review it, and give you guys a really cool overview of something that's 10 bucks. And you really can't go wrong with something that's 10 bucks. It's a 10 buck gaming mouse, and we're going to get into the unboxing. So let's get started. So here we are. We are looking at the new Jellycomb wireless mouse, and let's get started. So first off, I want to open this up, just give you guys a look of what this looks like. Now there's a bunch of different options and a bunch of different decals and stuff. The reason why I like this so much is just simply because it kind of looks like an Apple mouse, and obviously everybody hates Apple mouses, but I do like one thing in particular about them is that they do look kind of cool if they had the functioning left and right keys, because as you can guess, games don't like this. But this is actually a gaming mouse, and I first off want to say my first impression of the clicking is it is really quiet. Like, this is actually is like the best way I can describe it is the clicks are like mechanical. They are literally like mechanical clicks in the sense that, yeah, you don't hear it. Like if I this is me going as fast as possible. Let me see if I can get the microphone a little bit aimed that way. Let's see, you can hear that is the clicking, but that's like as loud as it gets, and that's like the same level. Let me see though. I would say I'm gonna go click a mouse all the way over here, wake up my poor computer, and that's me clicking the same level all the way over from my other mouse over there. So probably about, I'd say maybe 3 or maybe like 5 feet away from the microphone. So I'm clicking the same level, and that's what it's doing. Next up, let's take a look over on the bottom. So usually when you get something that's 10 bucks, the construction is a little questionable, but this, I will say, the plastic on the top feels very nice, especially that's where your hand's going to be. I don't know though about the bottom though. I do feel like the bottom is kind of, it feels like a cheaper plastic right here. I mean, for 10 bucks, we'll see what we get. So next up, we're going to go open this up real quick and just get inside. So starting off, let's see what we got here. So in here we've got a USB dongle right there, and then we've got our room for our battery, and of course the nice looking power switch right there that's also in there. So let's take this out real quick, and I'm going to plug this into my system and get this on a laptop real quick and just see if I can mess around with things and see how it does. So let's go for it. So here we are, just using it and clicking around. To be honest with you, the thing I've had an issue in the past is that the dongles really have problems. They're not really as precise, so they have a lot of problems. And I gotta say, like, the response time on this is pretty much perfect. Now I'm gonna go try a little bit of gaming later on, and I'll let you know how that goes down in the comment section. But right now, I just gotta say, like, for just regular tasks, it looks pretty good. Of course, gaming is kind of important, so I've got to say though that the trackpad is not like a circular wheel. It is just one direction, and I do feel like that would have been kind of cool having the multi-directional use, like maybe a full ball in there. That would be completely awesome, just to be able to scroll through like that. But I do gotta say though, the clicking is my most favorite part. Like, you don't hear anything, and I've got to say the clicks are actually really satisfying. Like when you click, it's the best way to describe it is like mechanical clicks. How like a mechanical keyboard feels. It feels that same level. But that's gonna wrap up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and of course, yeah, I'll put a link to the mouse in the description. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you around, and of course, check out the channel for other cool reviews, unboxings, and things like that. But thank you very much, and goodbye.